everybody, welcome back. Today I have a very special guest in the studio. She's famous, she's awesome, and she's from Freshly Ground. Come up, Mini Zolani.
Hi everybody, I am Suzellediy from Freshly Ground.
She's so famous. Woo! So today we're going to start off with a song game. I can do it, I can do it, I can do
Doobie 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 doo bye.
Wow! Anyway, today's video is how to make slime. So we're making slime today. But before we start, we have a very special guest. Come to the stage, Caitlin. Okay, you will need some glue. Glue. Some glitter.
That is optional.
Coloring.
A bowl or plate to make the slime in.
And you would need
Some borax
powder.
But we're gonna make it in a solution.
Wait, no.
Bring the solution.
Marianne.
Okay, we've stirred some borax into some lukewarm water. Marianne, please go. Marianne, there's no space here. Just mix it in. Okay, ask your friend, or you can, to pour some glue into the bucket.
Yeah.
So, you're so famous. Pour the glue in. As much as you like.
That'll be fine.
And let's show you. Okay, now. Oh wait. Mariam, please pause the video. We forgot. Sorry about that. We actually found. Okay, so now you're gonna take a little bit at a time.
It's a little bit.
As you can see, the drops are in. Okay. Someone must. Marion, off. Okay. Ask one of your friends to pour some glitter in. Just a little bit, okay? A little bit. Marion, you're on the... Okay. Little bit. Go on you. Go on you. A little bit. Okay, that's good. We're gonna add the... Marion! We're gonna add the coloring like that, okay? Keep the camera still, Mario. Gonna mix it. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. Gonna probably have to add a lot more borax. But anyway, don't add too much at a time.
Otherwise, it will
Okay, keep mixing.
turn back into
Keep mixing. Now we've added some pink, as you can see, and we're mixing it with the borax.
Yeah.
While we mix and get this ready, I'm just gonna show you some bolts.
It's noise button.
It's noise. We have 3 different colors. Blue, green, and another green. This green is more light, and this green is more dark. And I'm going to first show you guys the blue one.
Zolani loves
It's so nice to play with.
Well,
So you guys have never seen noise putty. It's so stress left a little. Marion.
Maria, no.
To the back end now.
Ooh. Okay, you take half, I'll take the other half.
That's going quite good. As you can see, this is not sticky. Very not sticky. I want to see how the slime's going while Marion is playing with the glue.
Okay, I'm gonna probably touch the borax with my hands, like that, so that it won't stick.
This is like water slime.
You can touch the borax so it doesn't waste.
Marion, stop playing with it.
It's Mariam, if you don't know. Okay, everybody. Mariam, you might have to pause the video, it's taking too long. Okay guys, just keep kneading it until it's slime. We'll be back live.